White Point, Doctors Creek, Horn Harbor and Chesapeake Bay. Renovated farmhouse on 3 parcels, total of 13 plus acres. 54 Pier West / boatlift, electric and water and boat ramp. The home offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, custom kitchen west / granite and stainless appliances, coffee bar, middle island, and wood beams which came from historic plant in Richmond. There is a large living room, dining room, family room, and sunroom, all with waterfront views. First floor primary bedroom and bath with ceramic tile, granite and walk-in closet. Second floor offers 2 bedrooms and full bath. This home features hardwood floors, gas log fireplace and gas log stove, replacement windows, cedar impression siding, stainless appliances, and 2-zone HVAC. You will enjoy your deck overlooking the waterfront, and a lovely lawn, with magnolia, fruit trees. There is a 1-bedroom / 1-bath guesthouse on the property, additional septic installed where you could subdivide possibly and have another waterfront home, 5 acres of woodlands that touch water can be built on possibly, and open land for horses, and gardens. This could be a great family compound. There is a 2-bay oversized garage / workshop west / bonus room, multiple outbuildings.